Hello, welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. Today we are going to basically strip out the engine bay and get rid of all the old brake pipes that are in the way, clean up that, take off the master cylinder. Here's the engine bay. We'll be going around cleaning up all this, getting rid of all the old brake pipes. It's like a pigtail and bits and bobs, getting rid of all the wiring and stuff, just leaving the cable down from the battery because we previously put this control in to give a battery cut off and that. But yeah, take away that and clean it all up, get it all looking nice. So I've basically removed the studs from here. I've just got to release it from the foot pedal inside. It's just a little clip and a split pin. And you can see the little clip just there. Basically pull that out and then the pin comes out and then off we go. Right, so we've taken everything out now. The expansion bottle's gone for the coolant, the oil catch can's gone, and we've taken out all this, so I can now push her out into the yard, well, push her out into the drive and just give her a quick spray down with water and then dry her off, and then we're ready to wire brush and clean her all down. So yeah, it's coming along nice and steady and slowly. So we'll give it a quick steam down just to get rid of any dirt or crud or anything, and I will give it a wire brush and white spirits in a bit just to get rid of any debris. This is all the bits we've took out, so we'll get a new one for the master cylinder because I don't like that style. Some of the wires we'll keep because it's got the blocks on, so I can get a replacement block, like bits like this for the control, for the fan and stuff like that I'll keep because I can clean that up and make it look nice and relocate it somewhere better that's not going to be right in front of where all the dirt hits. But all this wiring and old brake pipes and stuff like that, they're going to go all be binned. So yeah, it's coming on, so let's put them all in the bin and crack on. So we're going to glance this bit off here because it's not needed and it's bloody sharp when you catch it. So we'll glance that off, take that off, take that one off, smooth them off, probably take this one off here. I'll smooth the ends off anyway so it's not sharp, and repeat on the other side. So yeah, wish me luck. now we've basically neatened off that bit. I never liked, I always caught myself on it when I was doing bits in the engine bay, so we've neatened that side off. We've gone round and just neatened this side off as well, which is nice. I'll go around with a file and just make sure it's all nice, or some emery cloth, but we're going to go around with a wire brush. And I've also took the weld off there, so that's ready as well for wire brushing, and then hopefully red oxiding and painting. So we've also took these sharp edges off here and here, just to make it more friendly engine base. It's not going to cut you. We will probably put some trimming around that to make it look a bit nicer as well. Right, so firstly, wire brush, get rid of all the loose crud and rubbish. Right, I've got to go around all this, obviously I won't record this, but yeah, go around, loosen everything up like that, so it gets rid of all the built-in stuff. Then just to smooth it out so you get a better paint finish, we'll go around with a bit of an emery pad just to make it look a little bit nicer. So it also helps the paint adhere to the surface. And then just to get rid of any of the imperfections or any of the grit or dirt or any of the road use, we'll get some white spirits. Obviously there's loads of brands available, not sponsored. And just clean it off, so there's no imperfection, no impurities on the surface, so when we paint, the paint will stick. So yeah, we'll go to time lapse now, so thank you, keep watching. So we've had the first coat put on. It's a bit rough because it's the first coat, but everything that we've cleaned up has basically been painted. So in 6 hours we'll do another coat. So just clean up now, tidy up, make sure everything's nice, and clean the brushes up and stuff. So yeah, see you shortly. 6 hours time. Boom! So we've put the second coat on, all looking nice and shiny now. Got rid of all the imperfections. Wait for 6 hours and then put it on the black. So yeah, I'll do that tomorrow night after work, so catch you in a couple of hours. Bye! Basically it's sat for longer than 12 hours. And I've just gone round with a bit of emery cloth just to make it so the black paint will adhere a bit better. Down here we will tidy up down there when we've jacked the vehicle up and continue that paint on. So yeah, just watch the black be applied. Here's the first coat of the black. Still a little bit patchy, the red's showing through, but the best way is just to get a coat on and get the first coat on, probably put another coat on, so 2 coats in total. If it's still patchy after the second, just put another third coat on, but only in touching up areas, and it should make the engine bay look a little bit better. Hopefully you're going to enjoy what we're going to do with the bulkhead, because it looks really scabby and there's loads of holes that we don't need anymore, because obviously we've removed stuff. So hopefully the next video will be the bulkhead repair. So it's all dry now. I'm going to go and put the second coat on. So hopefully it looks 1,000 times better. Let's wait and see. I've applied the second coat. There's a couple of little areas I need to touch up, but I'll wait till that dries tomorrow, and then we can assess the bulkhead. As soon as that's assessed and we've seen where we need to repair, we'll start repairing it and then paint it nice and black so it disappears. Hello, hope you liked that episode. Sorry, it's been a while since we're back on the Dutton now, so hopefully you liked that episode. Thanks for watching.